a drone and a GoPro were harmed in the making of that video, and a car.
The Appalachian Mountains are home to some amazing back roads. Today in our 18th episode, we're driving Virginia 16, the back of the dragon. If you're new to TrueView, we're on a mission to find and drive the best back road. If it has a double yellow line, we're game to try it. Join our mission to find and drive the best back road. The three ridges are narrow, technical, and sustained with few warning signs. The sun's glare can fool you. Read the road carefully, or you might find the gravel. After each drive, we'll give the road a score and compare it to the others we've driven. Stick around to see where Virginia 16 lands on our list of the best back roads. We've adjusted our scoring system to elevate the importance of the driving experience over other factors. With hundreds of steep banked relentless turns, Virginia 16 scores 10 of 10. Each of the 3 sections includes a series of flowing corners, and the connecting sections flow well, 7 of 10. At over 30 miles with 3 ridge climbs, if you drive every section without stopping, be ready for a workout, 9 of 10. There is little traffic during the week, but also no passing zones. Slower cars often use pull-offs, 3 of 5. Mostly smooth, the pavement can be cracked and bumpy in places. Shoulders are very narrow and the road has few warning signs, 3 of 5. The overall driving score is 32 points, which is tied with Tennessee 129, the tail of the dragon. The overlooks have wonderful views. You need to check this road off your list, 4 of 5. With an overall score of 36 points, the back of the dragon is 4th on our list, just behind Tennessee 129. Check the channel for a playlist with every video in our Best Backroad Series. If you haven't already, subscribe and join us on our next drive as we continue our mission to find the best backroad.
All I can